I don't think we ever grow out of fairy tales. And this story, Hansel and Gretel, is timelessly relevant, I think, and it's always held its appeal from when you're a child, and when you come back to it, it's still ever more enticing.
It's colourful, fun, and with a bit of darkness to it.
We definitely don't play down the sinister elements. You know, we have this drunken father, probably quite neglectful parents. It's actually quite a shocking story in many ways. This witch character who delights in roasting and eating children. I mean, it's kind of terrifying stuff.
Hansel and Gretel is a friendly form of Wagner, you might say. Humperdinck was a devoted follower of Wagner. He even composed, I think, 4 bars of Parsifal when the scene change lasted a bit too long. So the music of Hansel and Gretel is the most wonderfully opulent, rich-sounding orchestral tapestry.
You have the most sumptuous orchestral setting, but it's not merely twee and pretty. What he does is he actually weaves in genuine German folk songs. So not only are we in this folk tale, but it's also told by this endless kind of weaving through of little motifs from folk music itself. So we're rooted deep in the German forest.
As usual with fairy tales, it's a fabulous mixture of entertainment, of fantasy, and also of instruction.